Hello everybody, I'll be making a video about coconut cake, and you start off with a cup and a quarter cup of flour, and quarter, and then you use 2 cups of coconut flakes in a small bowl. You put that in, and then you mix it up all together, set that to the side. Then you get a cup and a half of butter. Put that in a larger bowl because this is the bowl you'll be mixing up everything. And then 2 cups of sugar. And put that in with the butter. Then you mix that up all together. I don't know why I like the sound of butter and sugar mixing together. And then also you get 4 eggs. I put in 2 at a time. I don't know why, it's just a bacon thing. You put in 2 eggs and mix it up. Excuse me for the code. Mix it. And then you put in the other 2. And I'm sorry for my ashy hands as well. Yep. And then you mix it all together. Then you get a cup of sour cream, which the small things is usually a cup of sour cream. So put that in and you mix it well. Then after that, you get a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Just put that in and mix it up. Then you get the mixture you just made earlier. Put half in. Then you put coconut extract as well. Mix that in. Then you put the rest of the mixture of the flour and the coconut flakes. Mix that all together. Then you get your handy dandy bundt pan. Then you spread with pan with bacon and flour. Then you get your whole cake mixture and then you pour it in however you please. Then I but just make sure it's all even. And then hit it 3 times on the counter and make sure there's no bubbles. Then you put it in a 375-degree oven for 35 to 45 minutes. And then you come out with a beautiful coconut cake. And maybe I'll make a video on how to make the toppings as well. Thanks.